screen brightness here. Oh, yo ho, and a bottle of rum. What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently, we're sitting at 0.3705, down about 9.25 on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 2.92 billion. 24-hour volume, 356 million. Maybe I should go on America's Got Talent as a singer. I would get booed straight off stage. Okay, so we're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So it looks like this was our wave 3, our extended wave 3 that we talked about yesterday or in our last Matic video. Actually, I took yesterday off. I went to the arcade with my hot date, so I didn't make any videos yesterday. So what we can do here, we're very, very close to our 28 to 32 cent price target. If we take our trend-based fib extension from the top of wave 2 to the bottom of wave 3, up to the top of the corrective wave 4, your minimal target is the 0.618 at 33 cents, and sometimes you'll see a 100% extension, which is coming in at 27 cents. So lines up with our 28 to 32 cent price target for Matic. Does look like we're completing that structure, which is absolutely beautiful. So we'll see if we bottom out here in between 22 to 32 cents before seeing a juicy bounce. We do have a nice bullish divergence, lower lows, higher lows on the 4-hour RSI. So we're going to take a look at the daily time frame, but a quick shout out to today's video sponsor, Cryptocom, the world's fastest growing crypto app. They have their incredible Crypto Earn, where you can earn interest on staking your coins, 8% back on your stable coins, 12.5% on Polygon, 12.5% on Polkadot. We have Your Keys, Your Crypto, their DeFi wallet, where I stake all my Crow and my Atom. Crow for a 12.5%, Atom at a 15% yield. Absolutely insane. And their Visa card, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix Prime, depending on the level of card that you have. Travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. All right, let's hop over into Matic on the daily time frame. This is the 4-hour. Give me the daily. This is Bitcoin. Sorry, guys. Clearly unprepared here. So as you can see here, if we scroll out, I'm just going to open this up. That 32 cent price target, 28 to 32 cents, lines up with that swing low. I said, look, guys, when you go through a large ABC correction after a 5-wave structure to the upside, you're usually going to land at the support or prior to the support of the swing of the corrective wave 4 low, of this swing low, and that's exactly what has happened here. We've come right down to that wave 4 low. Now your next major level of support, if we were to break that, is coming in between about 18 to about 25 cents. We have a bullish divergence on the RSI. We're creating lower lows, higher lows. As I mentioned in my Bitcoin video, we may see a large fake out to the upside where we see a significant bounce, quite possibly taking Matic all the way back up to about 60 cents, maybe about 75 cents, before coming back down again to retest these lows or break a little bit lower, in my opinion. But as of right now, our predictions have been coming to fruition absolutely beautifully. We're coming down to our price targets. Our Elliott wave structures have been playing out, our ABCDE, and it does look like we're coming down to that 28 to 32 cent price target, as we've been predicting on the channel, looking for completion of this ABC correction. Now, Bitcoin were to go to, 10 to 13K, like a lot of people think is going to happen. Basically, your next levels of support, 18 to about 25 cents, and then you have a little cluster of support in between about 14 to about 10 cents. I don't know if that's a likely scenario, but always a possibility. But it does look like we put in a beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, looking to complete that wave 5. And as I had shown you guys, measuring the length of wave 1 can often be the same length as wave 5, and that takes you down to about 29 cents for our friend Matic. So we'll see what happens here. If we continue to sell off, we're starting to lose this low. Actually, we're just holding the support of these wicks here. So if these wicks are lost, then do expect at least that 28 to 32 cent price target, in my opinion. And then we may see a nice bounce back to the upside as we're coming down to major support here for Matic. So we could definitely see a nice bounce, as we've seen some pretty swift sell-off since we broke down from this symmetrical triangle. So that's pretty much it for Matic. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And we've been shorting ADA, making some juicy profits shorting ADA here. And I also have my spot trades available at the $10 membership, my leverage trades, and a bunch of other juicy little goodies. You can sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.
you.